Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently added languages we've got on English. So let me tap on add a language, and as you can see, we will be transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. Of course, if you want to, you can just tap on the search icon and type the language you'd like to use. So basically, after finding the language, you have to just tap on it. Sometimes you will be able to pick the region, so again tap on it, and as you can see, my chosen language immediately appears on this list. However, the English is still a main language. It is because it is on the first position, so we have to switch the positions of both of those languages. So let me tap on the Turkish, tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. And wait a second. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. And again, we've got the English. If you want to remove the language from this list, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Confirm it. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change a system language in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.